Alright, for the 3.9 rebuild project, I got this set of forged pistons, all fancy and stuff. They're new old stock, so they're kind of marked up. They're brand new, they're just old. And I got this fancy set of H-beam rods. They're bushed for full floating. Let's see. I'll bet you they fit. Pins. Yep. Alright, so now the main problem I have is the rods in a 3.9 V6, which is 239, and a 318 Chrysler are the same casting. Well, of course this is not, but difficulty I'm having is the bottom width is different, the big end width. So across here to here is 60 thousandths larger in the wider in the 318 than it is in the 3.9. So what I think I'm going to have to do is have this face and the opposite side of it, this face, machined 60 thousandths, well, 30 thousandths per face, 60 thousandths total. And that should let these rods fit in the 3.9 V6, because the crank is the way it is, because it's a V6 instead of a V8, and the split pins, I think they called it, there's not as much space, so they're just slightly narrower. I'm still trying to figure out what I'm going to do about bearings, but that doesn't look to be as difficult a situation, because the bearings I've checked were smaller than the inside of the big end of the rod. I mean, narrower, so even narrower than the ones that go into 3.9, so it should be able to fit the 318 bearings in there with no problem. Or with minimal problems anyway. Hopefully that's the case. Anyways, before too long we'll be getting to the electronics part of this, which is what belongs on electronics abuse, so I'll see you later.